See here, let us discuss few of the concepts. The concepts such as consecutive numbers, the concepts such as how to calculate the unit digit of a number and what do you mean by number. See here, for example, consecutive numbers. Let us take consecutive numbers. What do you mean by consecutive numbers? See, consecutive numbers are very important. Definitely in average you can expect one question based on the consecutive numbers. So what do you mean by consecutive numbers? The series of numbers which comes, those series of numbers are called as consecutive numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is consecutive numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, it is a consecutive number. So the number may start at any part and it may end at any number, but in the middle the numbers, the series should be continuous. Okay, the series should be continuous. So these type of numbers are called as consecutive numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it is a consecutive number. See here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is a consecutive number. It is a consecutive number. 10, 11, 12. So it is a consecutive number. But 13, 14, 16, 17. It is not a consecutive number because there is a gap in between 14 and 16. Okay, so continuous series, the numbers what you are going to get is a consecutive number. The number may start in the series, in the number series, the number may start at any number, okay, and it may end at any part, but in the middle it should be a continuous series. Okay, so these are called as consecutive numbers. Next, what do you mean by consecutive even numbers? Consecutive even number means continuous even numbers. Okay, for example, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is a continuous even number, so it is a consecutive number. Next, 10, 12, 14, 16, it is a continuous series of numbers, hence it is a consecutive number. But 10, 12, 16, 18, it is not a consecutive number. Even though the numbers are even in nature, these are not consecutive numbers because in the middle you don't have 14, therefore it is not a consecutive number. Next, consecutive odd numbers. Continuous series of odd numbers are called as consecutive odd numbers. Again, it may start from any number in the series and it may end at any number in the series, but in the middle the series should be continuous. Okay, continuous odd numbers. See here, 11, 13, 15, 17, it is a continuous odd number, so it is a consecutive number. Next, 21, 23, 25, 27, consecutive odd numbers. Series, continuous series, it is a consecutive odd numbers, but 11, 13, 17, 19, these are not consecutive numbers, consecutive odd numbers, because in the middle between 13 and 17 we skipped an odd number. Okay, so now you people have understood what do you mean by consecutive number, what do you mean by consecutive even numbers, and what do you mean by consecutive odd numbers. Now you have to learn what is the nature of the number, how the number is. See here, for example, you take the number as 50, 54 you take, 54. This 4 is known as 4 into 1, means 1 is the unit digit. Next, 5 is in 10th place. So 5 is in 10th place, so 5 into 10, 5 into 10, 50, and next 4 into 1, it is 4. Therefore, 54 can be represented as 50 plus 4. Okay, 50 plus 4. Okay, so next you may consider one more number. See here, the number is 1984. So 4 is in unit place, so it is represented as 4 into 1. 8 is in 10th place, so it is represented as 8 into 10. Next, 9 is in 100th place, so it is represented as 9 into 100, and 1 is in 1000th place. 1 is in 1000th place, so it is represented as 1 into 1000. So these representations are based on their positions. Okay, these representations are based on their positions. Whenever it is required for us to calculate the values, we may use these type of values. With the help of their positions, we can calculate the answer. Okay, so this is regarding the numbers. Okay, and one more thing you have to always remember, what is the unit digit? How to calculate the unit digit? See here, calculations of unit digit. So how to calculate unit digit? You have series of numbers. The series of numbers such as 23 into 574 into 236 into 1,97,584. 1,97,584. So after this multiplication, you have to identify what is the unit digit. See here, it is very simple to calculate. While calculating the unit digit, you always consider only the unit digit of the number. Whatever may be the number, whatever may be the size of the number, okay, you consider only the unit digit. The unit digit are 3, 4, 6, 4. So 3 into 4 into 6 into 4. You solve this. So after solving the unit digit, what you are going to get will be the final answer. So 3 into 4, 12, 6 into 4, 24. Here the unit digit is 4, here the unit digit is 8. So you do 4 into 2, which is equal to 8. So after multiplying, you are going to get 8 as the unit digit. After multiplying, you are going to get 8 as the unit digit. You may take one more example. See here, 235 into 531 into 798 into 312. Here you have to calculate. You consider only the unit digit 5, 1, 8, 2. So 5 into 1 you consider, next 8 into 2 you consider. So 5 into 1 is 5, 8 into 2 16, again you consider the unit digit 6. So 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So the unit digit what you are going to get at the end of the day is 0, 0. Fine. So this is how to calculate the unit digit if they are going to give the values like this. Sometimes they may ask you to calculate the unit digit for the given powers. For example, they may ask you like this: 125 to the power 312. So what is the unit digit? Next, 372 to the power 372. So what is the unit digit? Next, 464 to the power 144. So what is the unit digit? So these type of questions they are going to ask. So don't get panic, it is very, very simple. These type of problems they are going to ask you in PO level as well as in SO level. Okay, so not to worry, it's very, very simple to calculate. See here, one thing you have to remember: if the unit digit is 5, whatever may be the power except 0, whatever may be the power except 0, if unit digit is 5, in the end you are going to end up with 5 only. The unit digit will be 5 only. Next, 372, the unit digit is 2. See here, 2 to the power of 1, you are going to get 2. 2 square, you are going to get 4. 2 cube, you are going to get 8. And 2 power 4, you are going to get 16. Next, 2 power 5, you are going to get 32. Here again the unit digit is 2. Here the unit digit is 2. So it is a cycle. So after 4 you are getting the unit digit same. 2 power 1 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16. So it is a cycle. So after 4 numbers again it repeats. After 4 numbers again it repeats. So what you have to do is you have to divide the power part by 4. See here, the unit digit 372 to the power 372 is equal to 372 to the power 372 by 4. See, very simple. The unit digit will be same, okay, the unit digit will be same, not the value. The unit digit will be same, not the total value. Now you divide 372 by 4. So what is the remainder? 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 3s are 12. It is going to be divisible exactly. So it is going to be divisible exactly. So means what? 372 to the power 372 is equal to 372 to the power 4. See, if it is going to be divisible exactly means then you have to write here 4. You have to write here 4. Okay. So, see here 372 divisible by 4. So, 93 times 372. So, the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. The remainder is 0 means it is nothing but 4. You have to consider this value 4. So, what is the unit digit? 6 is the unit digit. So, here the unit digit is 6. Here the unit digit is 6. Okay. Again you may take one more example. Okay. See here 372 to the power 397. So, you divide 397, that is the power part, by 4. So, 4 9s are 36. You got 3 as remainder, again 7. 4 9s are 36. So, what is the remainder? You got 1. So, 1 means it is nothing but 2 power 1. 1 is nothing but 2 power 1. So, what is the value of 2 power 1? That is 2. So, the unit digit is 2 here. The unit digit is 2 here. See, 372 to the power of 397 is equal to 372 to the power of 1. So, it will be same. The unit digit will be same. Therefore, here the unit digit is 2. For each and every number you are going to get the cycle in the same manner. See here. For 3 if you take 3 power 1 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 power 4 81, 3 power 5. So, 3 power 5, 8 3s are 24, 243. See here, the unit digit is 3, here the unit digit is 3. So, after 4 numbers the cycle repeats. So, whatever the power they may give, okay, you divide it by 4 and you calculate. For 4 also you are going to get the same thing. For 4 also you are going to get the same thing. 4 power 1 4, 4 square 16, 4 cube again 64, 4 power 4 again you are going to 6. You are going to get 6. So, you may divide it by 4 or you may divide it by 2 because after 2 it is repeating. Okay. For 5 definitely you are going to get 5. For 6 again cycle comes. For 7 again cycle comes. For 8 again cycle comes. So, you have to write down the cycle in the paper while calculating. So, definitely you are going to get the answer. So, this is how to calculate the unit digit for the different varieties. Okay. So, let us solve the problems. So, let us solve the problems based on these type of varieties. So, problem number 10. The difference between a 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging 2 digits. So, they are interchanging the 2 digits. For example, the digits are 25. Consider the digits are 25. Now, they are interchanging the digits, then it is going to become 52. And they are telling the difference between these two. Difference between these two is 18. So, like that we have to calculate the sum of the 2 digits, that is nothing but 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2, like that you should get 12. Like that you should get 12. So, what is the number? What is the 2-digit number you have to calculate? See here, we have 2 methodologies to calculate these type of problems. Let me go with a general methodology. See here, the 2-digit number we can represent in this form, 10x plus y. Why we have to represent it in this form? Already I have told you. Okay, the 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the 2-digit number. Okay, again 10y plus x. So, if you subtract, you are going to get a value called 18. So, see here, after subtraction you are going to get 18, means 10x plus y minus 10y minus x is equal to 18. Next, 10x minus x, 10x minus x, which is 9x. Next, minus 10y plus y, which is minus 9y, which is equal to 18. Therefore, you can take 9 as common. X minus y is equal to 18 you got. X minus y is equal to 18. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 18 by 9. So, which is equal to 2, which is equal to 2. Next, what they have given? The sum of the 2 digits. So, sum of the 2 digits means 1 digit is x and 1 more digit is y, which is equal to 12. So, see here, we know x minus y is equal to 2. So, you add both the equations, So, 2x is equal to 14, therefore, x is equal to 7. If x is equal to 7, then what is the value of y? See here, x plus y is equal to 12. Next, 7 plus y is equal to 12. Therefore, y is equal to 12 minus 7, which is equal to 5. So, the number is xy, that is 75. So, but what they are asking? They are asking the product of two numbers. So, 7 into 5, that is 35. 7 into 5, that is 35. See, this is the lengthiest procedure what we have to use. But you have one more technique, the shortcut technique. You can go with that. See here, what they are telling? They are asking that the product of the digits of the two-digit number is what? So, they have given the options as the first one 35, second one 27, next third one 32, cannot be determined, doesn't come. See here, because we can easily determine. So, we have to get the product as 35. So, you multiply two numbers so that you should get the product as 35. Okay. So, what are the numbers you have to multiply? 5 into 7, 7 into 5. So, that is 7 into 5 you can do. 7 into 5, 35. For 27, 9 into 3, 27. For 32, 8 into 4, 32. Means you have the numbers called 75, 9 into 3, 93 and 84. You interchange the values. So, if you interchange, you are going to get 57, 39, 48. So, after subtraction you get 18. After subtraction you should get 18. So, 75 minus 57 is equal to 18. 93 minus 39 is not equal to 18. 84 minus 48. 84 minus 48, again it is not equal to 18. Therefore, this should be the answer. But one more condition they have given, when you add both the digits you should get 12. So, 7 plus 5, which is equal to 12, that condition is also satisfied. Therefore, 75 is your answer. So, after multiplying the numbers, 35 you are going to get. So, 35 is your answer. See how simple it is. So, come through the options, you please improve your analyzing skills, as well as you look the problem in a different perspective. So, definitely you are going to get a right answer within a less time. Okay. So, now let us go to the next problem, problem number 11. Problem number 11, the product of two consecutive odd numbers is 19043, which is the smaller one. Already we have discussed what do you mean by consecutive odd number. See, the first odd number is x, then what is the next odd number? See, if the first odd number is 5, what is the next odd number? 7. So, what is the difference? 2 is the difference. If you add 2 to 5, you are going to get the next consecutive number. Okay, like that, x is the first consecutive number, consecutive odd number. So, what you have to add? You have to add 2 for x, so that you are going to get the next consecutive odd number. So, what they are telling, the product of two consecutive odd numbers is 19043. So, which is the smaller one? So, you have to calculate the value of x. So, see here, x into x, x square plus 2x minus 19043 is equal to 0. If you simplify, you are going to get this one, but please do not follow this method. Please do not follow this method. Instead of that, you come through options. It is very simple. With the help of the unit digit, we can calculate. See here, x into x plus 2 is equal to 19043. So, consider the x as 137 and it will be 139. So, what is the unit digit you should get? You should get 3. So, 9 into 7, 63, the unit digit is 3. Yes, this may be an answer. Next, 131 into 133. Into 133, again the unit digit is 3, here the unit digit is 1. So, 1 into 3 you are going to get 3, yes, this may be the answer. But here 133 and the next number will be 135. So, 3 into 5, the unit digit is 15, but we should get the unit digit as 3, therefore, this cannot be the answer. Next again 129 into 131. So, the unit digit is 1, the unit digit is 9. So, 9 into 1, 9 you are going to get. So, this cannot be the answer because we should get 3 as the unit digit. And one more option we have, none of these. If we do not have the option called none of these, we have one more technique, a beautiful technique you could have used. See here, we can calculate 135 square. We can calculate 135 square, it is very easy. If 135 square value is less than 19043 or if 135 square value is more than 19043, then definitely your answer should be 131 into 133. If 135 square is less than 19043, then obviously your answer should be this one, because 131 into 133 is less than 135 square. Okay, so if 135 square is more, then obviously this should be the answer. 137 into 139, definitely it is more than 135 square. So, 135 square is less than 19043 means definitely 137 into 139 is the answer. So, 135 square you have to calculate. 5 square 25. So, 13 is remaining. After 13, which number you are going to get? 14. So, 13 into 14 you have to calculate. 14 means 13 plus 1. So, 13 into 13, that is 169 plus 13. So, 9 plus 3, 12, 1 carry, yes. So, 182.25. So, which is less than 19043, therefore, this should be your answer. But you have one more option called none of these. So, do not take risk, you cross verify. Okay. So, 137 into 139. 139. So, you cross verify. See, based on this definitely we have analyzed and identified that 137 into 139 can be the answer. If you do not have none of these, then definitely blindly you can mark it as 137, but you have none of this option. So, please go and verify. See, you multiply it by 9. So, 9 sevens are 63. So, 6, 9 3s are 27 plus 6 33, again 3 carry over, 9 ones are 9 plus 3 12. Next 7 3s are 21, 2 carry over, 3 3s are 9, 10 11, 1 carry over, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. Next 137. You are going to get 137, you are going to get. So, after adding, how much you are going to get? 3, 4, 10, 1 carry over, 8 plus 3, 11, 8 plus 3, how much you are going to get? 3, 3 plus 1, 4, next 10, 1 carry over, 2, 6 plus 3, 9 and 1. So, 19,043 you are going to get. So, 19,043 for the number 137 into 139. So, among these two, which is the smaller number? 137 is the smaller number, therefore, 137 is the answer. So, very simple, based on the unit digit you can identify and you can mark the right answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem.